How you doing, guys? We're gonna go fishing with this hunk of metal, with this guy. He's not happy to be here, but I am. Let's go fishing.
A bunch of doom.
Yeah, I can get a fish out here on frog, sure.
I believe it.
Oh, I'm getting bit already. Oh, we're on. Oh. That's a good one. That's insane.
It's a good one too.
It is.
Need pliers for this guy. What was that, the first cast?
Yeah.
That's that first cast with the mini Magnum spoon. I hooked him so good. Look at that. He was not coming off. I mean, the spoon will just set the hook itself. It's crazy, but it just will. I love fishing with a flutter spoon. This thing is the dumbest thing to fish with. Oh, look at that. Yeah? Good one?
Nope. But it's
No?
a fish.
But it's a fish.
It's a swim jig.
Yeah.
I just put it on the bottom like you did with the spoon.
Yeah. They're all chilling in the bottom down there. Do you have a spoon?
Nope.
You want one?
I don't need one, apparently.
If you want one, I believe. Oh, I'll get bit. Oh, we're on again.
This is stupid. Holy
Another decent one. Look at that, another good one. He's hooked real good too. Let's go bow flip him too. Come on, jump. We're gonna do a little Bassmaster grab then. Look at that. Another really good one on a spoon.
You ever do that shit in a tournament?
Yeah. In fact, in some tournaments, my preferred way to catch them. Look at this guy on the Flutter Spoon. Another really good one. Back-to-back casts. Let's get a weight on him. See, when I tell you that when he's on the boat, I catch big fish.
Grant, you suck. This man's 2 for 2.
551. 551. Another nice one. Oh, I'm getting bit again.
No.
It's little guys, just nipping at it. There's a big bait ball down there. That's what it is that bait ball. They're all sitting underneath that giant bait ball.
Fish call.
Good push. Did it just a cough?
It's a fish call.
Oh, a fish call. That's good. Look at that. First cast that I didn't catch a fish with. They're following your swim jig or whatever you threw down there. Yes, I see a couple following you. They get a little weird, you know. They saw Kyle and Jimmy and Bob come up, and they're like, "Oh, maybe I shouldn't." Pick it up. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Oh, look at that mouth. Someone fighting it right now. Oh!
Missed it? But
Yeah, I'm watching him hit it on the live scope right now. We're coming!
Not.
Don't listen to him, we're coming! Once you bring yours back, we'll go. We'll go get him. Where is he? I caught a 4 and a 6.
And 2 casts.
It was pretty easy, they just showed up.
I mean, I've been catching them all
And I
morning.
caught a 2-pounder
He caught a 2-pounder.
on a swim jig off the bottom.
Hey, that's how winning bag.
0 pounds?
Yep.
Yeah.
I got him in 2 casts. I know, because there's no wind.
Yeah. So you just flip.
It's gonna be me. Oh, 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 oh. You know, that's not a thing to joke about, Brent. People die.
Who I found out that episode of Rick and Morty. You know, the one with Pissmaster.
Pissmaster.
Who tried to censor the whole scene with them. Like they put music over it.
When he offed himself.
Yeah. Put music over it. What the fuck?
What's love got to do? Got to do? That's not true. Your uncle caught one too.
I did.
So there's a lot of fish in here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, don't bring those shitty vibes out here.
Yeah, Brent, you're being a big meanie. Big poopy head meanie. Anyone ever call you a poopy head?
Only him.
He's called you a poopy head before? All fish chasing your stuff right now. It's actually a good mark too. Yeah, that's where I've been catching him. Right there. You see where you just that? That's where I've been catching him.
Look at that little fish on that tail.
Little fish on a big spoon. Whatever we.
Was your spoon, Nick?
Right here.
Swim jig.
But I caught the other one.
The spoon I gave you, I can't believe you forsaken it and lost it in Lake Retard.
I did not forsake it. I did not lose it. It was stolen from me
Yeah, by who?
by that little fish.
By a little fish?
Yes.
A little fish.
I fucking pulled my dragon.
So it wasn't a little fish.
Probably a turtle.
It's probably your personal best.
Oh,
I've done that a few times. Caught a turtle.
Oh!
You got the bottom.
Gosh.
Thought it was another one. Thought it was another one to that hole.
Jesus, I hate doing this, dude.
Punching the ass in works a lot better.
Oh, I'm not losing another spoon. No way. I thought the rock was over there.
Oh, it's out here.
throw a rock in the water?
It's the spring head.
I don't think it's super stuck, but it's stuck. Well, it's new. I have never gotten a hook on that, and I've cast it out here a million times.
Big bagel.
Yeah, that big, yeah.
Huge bagel.
Yeah, I told your uncle about that guy. What's love got to do? Got to do with it? What's love? You ever watched the How to Be Ninja?
Nope.
Oh, it's an amazing little YouTube video. You've watched How to Be Ninja, right, Brent? Oh, you don't know who Ryan Heath is? Oh man, you missed out a part of your childhood.
I thought I had a long. Sorry, I had one of the.
Are you serious? It was right over there, wasn't it?
I mean, now you found it wrong.
There you go. Oh wow, it just got, wait. That's not a rock.
Oh, bastard. Spoon.
I thought I was snagged. That's the, yeah, that is the smallest bass I have caught on a spoon. That is stupid.
I'm sure you were stuck, and as soon as it popped out,
It came for it, yeah. Look at that though. The fish is about the size of the spoon. Tell me that's not the dumbest thing ever, dude. What the fuck? Oh my god, you trying to murder me, dude. Backflip. I like backflip fish. Fish like backflips. Back flippy fish. Flippy, back flippy. Why don't we have we had the same sense of humor. Just the most random of stuff. I like it. Well, that drifted off to the left.
Take a step forward. So she's like,
so we're both kind of.
Getting shot. Got to do. I'm gonna get snagged on a rock again. Oh, I'm on again. Oh my
shit.
god! This is the biggest fish ever. Either that or I'm side hooked so bad.
Yeah, things take
Yeah, I'm side hooked. I feel his body.
They should be a
no, I think that's just a giant.
No, he's side
He
hooked.
caught a
He's coming up.
catfish. He caught a catfish. Remember that Adrian Avina video?
There's a catfish on the spoon.
On a flutter spoon.
That's a giant, bro.
No. What the?
And he's
side hooked.
Holy! I told you the giant.
Drag a little bit.
Holy shit!
God, this is a bitch to hold on.
You ain't got a net?
Yeah, it's not good enough. All right, bro, you might want to move that because he's gonna bring me right back on the front a little bit here. He's not a giant, but he's good.
One way. I don't know which way you want.
He's tired. He's tired. Yes. Flutter spoon stuff. Well, he swiped it. I felt him biting when it comes down, and then It came back up and he swiped it.
I get it. I get his mom.
Let's see what he weighs, right?
You catch this one. That's a big bitch.
Trophy catch?
Maybe. I don't think
it got
so.
the gut, but it didn't have the weight one.
It doesn't have the length, I don't think.
I still gotta clear it.
He's like
I did clear it.
I say 7.2. Because he's got a gut.
Can we stop being stupid?
stop being stupid.
742.
Yep. Toss him in the box.
7 pounds, 42.